Today's video is something a lot of you have been waiting for, especially as we enter December, a month where people need extra cash, expenses are on the high, and everyone is actually looking for something that actually pays. So in today's video, we're diving deep into the best paying apps for Nigerians this December. And yes, you don't need any special skill to earn from them. If this is your first time here, my name is Janet and I help Nigerians and Africans find realistic ways on how to earn money using their phone. And you don't need a complicated skill or expensive setup. This video is actually long, I must warn you, but I want you to walk away informed, not confused. So grab your water and let's go. Before I show you the app, let's talk for a moment. December is one of the highest spending months in Nigeria. Traveling, festive preparation, gifts, end of the year responsibilities, January school fees loading, and for many people, no salary increase. So the whole country is trying to add at least one income source, even if small rather. The problem is when people get desperate, scammers also become active, fake earning websites, apps that don't pay, Ponzi schemes with a fancy UI, Telegram groups promising daily 20%. We've all seen them. So the goal of this video is to help you avoid nonsense and focus on apps that work in Nigeria, pay real money, don't require skills, don't require money to start, have a solid reputation, are useful beyond December, and most importantly, apps that fit the lifestyle of the average Nigerian, whether you're a parent, a student, a job seeker, or stay at home. So let's get into the list right away. Number one. Most people think OPay is only for transfers, but OPay is one of the best December money apps because it allows you make money without a single skill. Here's how. Number one, cashback rewards. OPay gives small but consistent reward for airtime purchases, data purchases, bills, referrals. Now it adds up. I know people who stack 5k to 10k monthly just from tiny cashback because they pay bills for other people. And then OPay gives competitive interest through wealth, saving challenges, daily interest options. No skills, just saving your money smarter. Another way OPay could pay you is through agency banking. This is the one that pays very well in December. People are traveling, people are spending. POS agents make more money in December than other months combined. If you're looking for a simple hustle, get OPay POS, charge 50 to 100 per transaction. December equals massive foot traffic. It's one of the easiest ways to make real money legitimately. Number two, we have Cheaper Cash. Cheaper Cash recently revived its user interest because of the virtual dollar card and referral bonuses. In Nigeria, anything that gives access to dollar payments immediately becomes high interest. How you earn referral bonuses per sign up, cashback on certain transactions, virtual card spending opportunities. People use Cheaper to pay for platforms. People use Cheaper to pay for platforms like Canva, Netflix, AI tools, Binance, Deposit, etc. So this is trending in Nigeria because many Nigerians cannot access dollar cards from bank and people want to buy things online without stress. The app is easy to understand. Just invite friends, help people fund their dollar card or teach them how to create one and charge them a small fee for your time. Jumia Pay is a December goldmine if you know how to use it. Nigeria uses it for electricity, airtime, data, shopping, Black Friday, December deals. But here's how smart people end with it. Now, the Jumia Pay cashback, every transaction gives something back. But during festive seasons, rewards double. Now you can buy discounted items and resell. This is a huge also. You see a blender at 50% off, buy and resell on Facebook Marketplace for full price. Many students do this. Now Jumia referral system is steady and pays directly. Again, you don't need a skill to do this. Number four, we have African used goods marketplaces. Now, this one right here is extremely powerful because it involves things you already have. Platforms include GG, Facebook Marketplace, List, WhatsApp status stealing. Now, December is the best time to sell old clothes, old phones, shoes, bags, small electronics, appliances, laptops you're not using, fashion items. You know why this works? Because people want to buy things cheaper in December. Now you're decluttering your house, you're earning without skills. I know someone who made 95k in 1 week by selling old phones, perfumes, and clothes. This is one of the zero skill, zero capital income streams that still work in 2025. On number five, we have Clickworker, Remote Task, UHRS. All these are microjobs platforms. Now, these platforms pay Nigerians in dollars for simple tasks like checking data accuracy, image labeling, short surveys, small online tasks. Now, these are not high earning apps, but if you're consistent, you can earn $30, $50, $100 monthly. In Naira, that's a good side income. And these tasks require no skill. You don't need to be a tech expert, you just need patience and consistency. On number 6, we have Sweatcoin. You get paid for working. This one is funny because it pays you for something you already do. Working. Now, Sweatcoin reward you with coins for steps taken. You can convert these coins into vouchers, reward, sometimes real cash, depending on your region. So if you can work, you can earn. This is simple. You don't need any skill for this. On app number 7, we have nice neobanks like Kuda, MoneyPoint, FairMoney. Now these are great because they let you indirectly rather, through free transfers. Help you save money immediately. Discounts. They often run December promos. High interest savings, better than most banks. Now they also run referral bonuses. Kuda and FairMoney referral bonuses can sometimes give better payouts than people expect. This is simple, safe money. Now let's talk mindset, because apps alone won't change your finances. Here are facts I want you to remember. Nigeria is a mobile first economy. Your phone is a mobile tool. 90% of your opportunities this decade will come from your phone. And December is not the time to start big hustles. Start small, simple, fast paying things. Thirdly, consistency beats intelligence. Even if an app pays only 200 naira a day, that's 6k a month. Double that is 12k. Triple, it's 18k. Little drops of water. Money loves direction. Aim, save, and multiply. And don't forget not to spend everything because it is December. There's just money you make is from habit, not stress. Cashback, working app, saving interest, referral, tiny tax, selling unused items. These are all low effort, high sense. So that is it. The best paying apps Nigerians can use this December without learning any special skills. Everything I shared today is beginner friendly, realistic, and verified to work in Nigeria. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. It tells YouTube to show it to more people who need it. And if you're new here, subscribe, because I'll be posting my next video on top AI apps Nigerians will use to make money in 25 and beyond. This one is going to be powerful. Let me know in the comments which of these apps are you already using and which one do you want me to break down in a detailed tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay safe this December and see you in the next one. Bye.